Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I am going to show how to create your header in Elementor, and we are going to use free Elementor plugin to make the header, and by watching this video you are also able to create your footer. So video is going to more interesting, and before start I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's dive into. So first of all you have to add a new plugin. The plugin name is the Elementor header footer. So I just search here, and here you can see this is the plugin and you have to install it. After the installation you just have to activate it just like that. So plugin is activated, and now we are going to go their setting. Just click on this setting button, and here you can see all templates, about us and theme support. So I am going to add new template from here, and you can also go from the appearance and then from Elementor header footer builder. So here I am going to mention the header and then publish. So now I have to click on this option and I have to select the template here. If you are creating a header, then you have to select this one, and if you are creating footer, then you have to select this one. And by this option you can create custom blog. So I am going to select header first, and then I have to select this option. So this is the option, do you need to enable on all pages or some specific pages or entire website or archive or 404 and any other pages. So I am going to select all pages, or I can select entire website. And after that you can add another rule by clicking this button, and then user rules for login users, for logout users, or the admin, author, or any other roles. So I am going to use all. So you just have to click on this option and then update. And if you want to create the footer, then you have to select the footer options. And now I am going to edit with Elementor. So we just edit with the Elementor, and we have installed the Elementor free plugin. That's why we have the limited option here. But if you have the Elementor Pro plugin, you can manage to do many things. So now we have to add the layout here, 3 sections. And in the first section, I am going to add the logo, this one, drag and drop. And then I am going to select custom image. Just select the image, and I have already uploaded my logo. Click on it, insert media. So as you can see our logo is updated, and now we can select the thumbnail size, medium, and any other sizes, or you can select the custom size, alignment, center, left, right, and any other things, caption, link. So I am not adding any link because I am just explaining you. And then I am going to add the menu. Just search here the menu, and here you can see the menu. So we have created the menu, primary menu. So you can also create from the appearance menus. So if you go to appearance, then menus, then you can create this menu by adding from there, or you can add the custom link or post link, and then you have to select these options. So this is up to you, not necessary. And then our menu is showing there, and we can select this thing, last menu item button, enable schema spot, and the layout center, right, justify, center is good, arrows, plus sign, or any other things. So here we have the responsiveness. So our breakpoint is the tablet mode. You can select the mobile mode also, or you can select the none option, but now I am selecting tablet, full width. And this is the icon which will show on the mobile after the breakdown. And this is the close icon, and this is the for sub menu. And you can select redirect to the self link, and this is the sub menu animation, slide up, just update it. And here in the right corner I am going to add the social icons, or you can add anything else you want. Just click on it, and here I am going to search social icons. Here just drag and drop, and here we have already icons added. Now we just have to add social link here, and you can add other item like WordPress media or any other else. So this is the shape of the icon, and the columns auto 2, 3, 4. I am going to select auto, alignment right, left, or center. So now I am going to go to style, and here I can select the size, and now padding, spacing, and hover effect. But now I am going to update it, and after that I am going to refresh my front end from here. So you can see our header is added here, And we can also manage the logo size, and we can also centralize the social icons. Just go back and click on it, and here you can see select vertical middle. So we have updated the social icons, and now refresh again. So now you can see our icon is managed. Now I am going to open the inspect. So here you can see our breakpoint, and if I click on it, it will open and close icon. So we can also centralize this icon. Just go back to logo, and you have to click on responsive mode, mobile or tablet. So here you have to click on this and then select alignment, and also click on it and horizontal align center. Update it and refresh it again. So now you can see our logo is centered now. So by this way you can create your own Elementor header by yourself, and it is completely free. We do not need any paid plugin. So I hope you must find this video useful. Finally, thanks for watching.